Today's client wants us to rhinestone embellish two separate thank you plaques, which we have spray painted white first. I've got Ninja Super Tight Fusion Tack in the purple tipped applicator syringe, and for this we're using the Serinity Dream Mix, but you could also use the Serinity Large Crystal Size Mix, as they do 100 of each size. I've also got my wax picker pencil, and we're going to begin by placing down some glue on about 2 letters at a time, and then using whichever size of crystal best fits the available space. This is where the versatility of the crystal size mixes really comes into its own. If you bought only one size of crystal, it would look chunky in places and gappy in others. When you look for these crystals on our website bluestreetcrystals.com, they are called the color crystal. This is because there is no color present in the glass itself, and that silver color is coming from the silver foiling that is enabling it to catch the light like a mirror. Everything I have used, including the glue and the tools, can be found on our website bluestreetcrystals.com, and you'll find the link in our bio, and be sure to like and follow for more.